the grey fleet is most organisations, I think probably every organisation has an element of grey fleet. When you've got your own vehicles, that you're maintaining your own vehicles, you know that those are company vehicles, they're maintained in the workshop, they're safe to go on the road. What grey fleet is the fleet that's in a grey area. So it's when an employee within an organisation jumps into his home vehicle or a rental vehicle and goes and does some business on behalf of the company. That is not a vehicle that is maintained by the organisation with the organisation's skills. So that is known as grey fleet. In the United Kingdom there's several challenges involved with grey fleet. And it's actually knowing about whether a vehicle is safe. So have you had your annual check, your MOT, of those things? Because it's not the responsibility of the company when somebody's sitting in a private car driving it that way. So it presents a whole set of different challenges to ensure that when people are getting into that vehicle vehicle is roadworthy, and it brings in a whole layer of different questions and different aspects of management that you need to do for those grey fleet vehicles.